Alright, so today I'm going to go over how to draw this garage in SketchUp and just go over some basic features of SketchUp. So, I would say one of the first things you should do when you're in SketchUp is right-click anywhere up in here, or you can go View Toolbars. But a couple things that you're going to want to have. One of them is you're going to want to have you're going to want to see the views. So write that down in your notes. You're going to want to have measurements and the large tool set. Because you have the large tool set, I'd probably get rid of the getting started one. And as you get more advanced, you might do layers and sandbox and other things. But for today, large tool set, measurements, and views. Alright, so once again, remember you can right-click here. Up here, you can get the toolbars really fast by right-clicking. You can move the toolbars where you want. So right now, if I go to top view, this is the top view, it's the front view. But in order to see things perfectly up and down, you want to go to the camera and hit parallel projection. So this means that you're going to be looking directly above it, not with a perspective type of view. So I got parallel projection and I got top view. So now I can really draw in a 2D type architect way. So this is the rectangle tool, and notice, actually my toolbar's in the way. Right. When I start my rectangle right here, I left click one time, and then notice in the lower left corner the dimensions. So without clicking a second time, I'm going to go and type in the length and then the depth. So I'm going to type in 2,5 apostrophe, comma, 24 feet. So 2,5 apostrophe, comma, 24, enter. And that's how you do things. That's how you measure. So, all right. So then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the offset command and just click anywhere in here. Get it going the right direction, inside, not outside. And the walls are 8 inches thick, so I'm going to type in 8. And inches is a quotation mark. 8 inches, enter. So now I got my basic thing. Over here in the large tool set, it says dimensions. If I click this, I can go left click here, and then left click down here. Dimensions are all in houses are always measured from the outside of the walls, not the inside. So I got this dimension here. Another thing that's important is the measurement tool. I have a window that's 12 feet down. So again, this window right here is exactly 12 feet down from the outside. And it doesn't say how big it is. I should have put that in there. But we'll say it's 4 feet. So watch how I do this now. I'm going to use my measurement tape measure. I'm going to go here, left click, get it going the direction you want, and then I'm going to type in 12 feet, enter. So now I have a little tick mark right there. So that's good, because now I can basically use my pencil tool, and I could go like 2 feet down. And then I could go here, and I could go 4 feet down, go across. So I did that window. Press escape if you want to clear command, or you can go to the arrow. And I could use my dimension command. I could go left click and then get this guy. And do it again. So that's looking good. Now with the door, we know it's 4 inches off. So it's 4 inches off from the inside of the wall. So if I go here, type in 4 quote, and I know, got that line. The door is 3 feet wide, so I'm going to type in 3 quote there. And the door is going to be going 3 feet out this way, so 3. And then to finish this guy, I could just use an arc command. Left click, left click. It's not doing what I want. Let me try. Start on this side. I'm going to go left click, left click, left click. And then I can use the eraser tool, but be careful with the eraser tool. This thing is dangerous. You gotta be sure you get it correct. So that's pretty good. So then with the garages, I'll just do maybe one garage. And as far as placing text go, this is the text tool, and you can type in proposed garage, or you can use the let's see, wait, the 3D. If you do this, it's kind of 3D text. It doesn't matter. That's how you type in text. Use this too. Okay, as far as the garage goes, let's take a look at the garage. So I know from, you can also click on an edge like this, and it'll put a guideline in for you. So I'm going to go, we know it's 7 feet, enter. That's where the center of the garage is going to be, and then the garage is 4 feet wide. I'm sorry, 8 feet wide, so I go half of that. So 4 feet this way, and then 4 feet this way. And then I could even do a rectangle, I suppose. I'll just do this. So I'm going to go here, and it's going to be 7 feet back, 7 feet. Notice I can pick off this. No, it doesn't do it. I'll go 8 feet. And then right there. Don't worry about doing different line types. Just solid lines is fine. And I could carefully use the eraser here. Undo that. We could leave that. So I got that, and so that's pretty much it. You'll see to type in the scale down here. Scale equals 1/4 inch equals a foot. So that should get you started. Make sure you save this. Save as. If you save here, you're going to lose it. You want to go to Computer, Drive H. So as long as it says you're in Drive H, that's what you want. And I'll call it all right. So you're going to do that, and